Hello everyone. So today I will explain you about LLM with a story. And this is a story of a very smart and intelligent parrot. A parrot who wanted to be a poet. Yes, he does not want to just repeat words. He wanted to understand these words and write a poetry from those words. Yes, he want to be a poet. And then starts the training phase of that parrot. Every day he does what? He listens to when human beings talk. He listens to their jokes, their stories, their memes, their arguments. He listened them all very carefully. And he didn't try to memorize those things. But because he was called as Rattu Tota, but he does what? He tried to find out the patterns. Like after once upon a, there always usually comes time. And after identifying patterns, he works on probabilities. He started guessing what will come next. So, not by thinking, but by probability, he tried to predict text one token at a time. And this is how the LMS also predict text. Like, what is the probability of sun, which is 5%, rain 40%, coffee 20%, like that, he tried to predict the probabilities. He started working on probabilities. And then, step by step, he noticed that words are made up of smaller pieces or the sentences are made up of words. He learned to speak in form of tokens. What are tokens? These are tiny language units that models understand. Like in the sentence, parrots are awesome are tokens. And then he built a mind map. That means he built a mental map of how words are connected. Like king is connected with queen, the capital of France is Paris, dogs bark. So he created a web of links which is called as the transformer at work. And he created a mind map. And finally, the training of the parrot was complete and he was ready to say the poems before. And soon everyone asked the parrot for poems and stories. So he read the prompt, write a love poem. And it learned using and started creating word by word beautifully. And that is called as inference, which is generating text from a prompt. And the parrot started saying, roses are red, skies are blue. Soon that parrot got viral over the city and everybody says that there is a very smart parrot. He don't repeat words. He give answers. And all the reporters, they went to the parrot and asked, what's the capital of Mars? And the parrot proudly said, Banana City. It sounds smart. Everybody thinks that, wow, that parrot is answering something. It is not repeating. But actually, it is not smart. It does not know anything. It is just predicting. And this is how our LLMs also work. They don't understand the truth, but they predict patterns. So one of the scientists, he was very curious that how a parrot can answer. So he went to the parrot and then he noticed that there are some things that are missing in the parrot. So he trained the parrot to be polite, to be helpful and to be safe. And he teach him some models or some rules to follow. He told him that please be kind, please avoid nonsense and please respect human beings. So that is called as fine tuning, which is teaching models to follow the values. And finally, the parrot became a true poet. He doesn't feel love, but he learned how to express it beautifully. And that is what an LLM really is. It is like a parrot that measured and that mastered the art of prediction. So I hope you understand what an LLM is. So in our story, the parrot is actually an LLM.